Are you looking for the best websites to sell digital products for free in 2026? Maybe you want to sell ebooks, Canva templates, presets, courses, music, AI prompts, or digital downloads without spending money on a website. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best platforms you can start using today, absolutely free, even if you are a beginner. And you will choose the website according to its pros and cons. Make sure you watch until the end, because one of these websites lets you start selling in less than 10 minutes. This is Norbipol TV. Let's dive in. 1. Gumroad. Number 1 is Gumroad. Gumroad is one of the easiest platforms for beginners to sell digital products online. You can sell ebooks, PDF guides, music, AI prompts, Notion templates, courses, digital art, and much more. The best thing about Gumroad is that you don't need coding skills or a website. You simply upload your product, set the price, and share your link on social media. Pros: very beginner-friendly, free to start, fast payment setup, easy product delivery. Cons: transaction fees are slightly higher on free plan. Perfect for creators who want a simple setup. 2. Payhip. Second is Payhip. Payhip is another amazing platform for selling digital products for free. It also allows you to create a mini online store. You can sell ebooks, coaching, courses, memberships, templates, photography presets. One powerful feature is affiliate marketing. You can allow other people to promote your products and earn commission. Pros: free store setup, supports memberships, built-in affiliate system, easy checkout. Cons: limited customization on free plan. This platform is perfect for people building a personal brand. 3. Etsy. Number 3 is Etsy. Most people think Etsy is only for handmade products, but digital products are selling massively there right now. Popular digital products on Etsy include printable planners, wedding templates, Canva templates, wall art, resume templates, business cards. The biggest advantage of Etsy is traffic. Millions of people already visit Etsy every day searching for products. Pros: huge marketplace traffic, easy to get customers, great for printables. Cons: listing fees, high competition. If you know SEO and thumbnails, Etsy can make you serious money. 4. Kofi. Number 4 is Kofi. Kofi started as a donation platform, but now creators use it to sell digital products in memberships. This platform is popular among designers, artists, writers, YouTubers, musicians. You can upload digital downloads and even receive support from your audience. Pros: simple and clean, great for creators, accepts donations and sales. Free setup. Cons: smaller marketplace compared to Etsy. If you already have followers on YouTube or TikTok, Kofi is a great option. 5. Stan Store. Number 5 is Stan Store. Stan Store is becoming very popular among TikTok creators and online entrepreneurs. You can sell digital products, courses, consultations, guides, AI resources. The platform is optimized for mobile users and works perfectly with Instagram and TikTok bio links. Pros: beautiful mobile store, easy social media integration, good for personal branding. Cons: limited free features. This platform is excellent for creators building audiences on social media. Here's a bonus tip. The secret is not just choosing the platform. The real money comes from choosing high-demand digital products. Some trending digital products in 2026 are AI prompts, Canva templates, faceless YouTube bundles, TikTok content packs, Notion templates, digital planners, online courses. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos about making money online and digital business ideas. Comment below, which website are you going to try first?